Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crew Volkswagen dealership, showing you today this fabulous looking and brand new Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line, here with a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine, DSG automatic gearbox and finish in upgraded Grenadilla black metallic paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, including these HD matrix adaptive headlights in the front with an illuminated logo, as well as around the side these glossy black alloy wheels to finish off the look. In the rear the story is no different, with upgraded 3D sequential lights and an illuminated rear logo, and for easy access keyless entry and start is available with a power operated liftgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area which even offers folding rear seats. Inside the cabin, part leather upholstery with blue piping is available, with seating for 3 in the back, as well as their own climate control thanks to the upgraded panoramic roof available as well. Whilst in the front bucket sport seats are available, which even offer massage functionality and electric lumbar support. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shift, as well as fully operated digital cockpit which features customizable dials and even unlocks sat-nav built-in directly ahead of you. For the colder winter months you enjoy the 3-stage heated steering wheel offer, and the floating 13-inch touchscreen has permanent climate control features below. Plenty to enjoy here with the likes of easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB digital radio, as well as built-in sat-nav to ensure you never get lost. Various vehicle settings are also on offer, and for added connection, wireless Apple CarPlay with wireless Android Auto is also available. Helping you park, there's an upgraded rear view camera with a 360-degree view as well as a host of active safety systems that scan the road ahead to protect junior occupants. Additionally, selectable drive modes are on offer, prioritizing efficiency or sporty drive, as well as up to 30 colors for the ambient lighting. The massage seats I mentioned earlier are also available for the front passenger as well, and for the music fans there is an adjustable speaker sound system available too, along with ChatGPT functionality. Whatever the weather, easy to use 3-zone climate control is complemented by heated front seats and twin wireless induction chargers, whilst overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind, revealing that stunning panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.